Time to take a break from the daily grind and escape the rain. I've been getting the itch to do some camping. I think it's time to set up the sleeper in the truck and get my gear together. Hey, what you doing in there? Looking forward to kicking my feet up next to the campfire, spend the night listening to the ocean. I think this is just what I need, a little time to relax and be in nature. I really love that Toyota thought ahead when designing their bed liners. All I had to do is slide the pieces into these grooves of the bed liner, and voila, I have a sleeper. So, here we go. Dreaming about being out by the coastline and listening to the waves crash all night as I sleep. Waking up to the early morning birds. Can't wait. It's gonna be nice, whole summer of this. I love how time seems to slow down out camping and the clarity that comes with that. Pretty sweet. It's gonna be comfortable once I get my mattresses in here. Now I have a bed the entire width of the truck. Alright, we're just going through the camping equipment to see what we have. I'm a minimalist, so I don't have a whole lot of camping equipment, but it's going to be just enough to get by. I think I always take way too much anyway, so we're going minimalist style. Here's what we got. Got a single burner stove. Got a pan. Got a pot to cook in. Plastic forks and knives. All compostable. Candles, never know when you need a candle. Gloves, always good to have a little extra rope. And for those hot days, if I need to take a nap in the day or it's still warm at night, I have a little fan that plugs into the cigarette lighter. So that'll make things a little more comfortable, get the air circulation in the back of the truck. Oh, this is a great little chair. It's one of those that you open up and then you whoosh it through the wind and it fills up with air, and then you fold it up on itself and it holds that air inside, and it's real comfortable to sit on. The old Tommy Bahama chair has a backpack straps on it and a little cooler in back, so you can put some cold stuff in there when you're spending the day at the beach or wherever you are. So that's a cool little chair. Got a dry bag. This comes in handy, keeps stuff dry. Either put clothes or whatever in it, whatever you need it for. Gotta have a water container, so 5 gallons of water. Cooler to keep stuff cold. I like to do meal prep beforehand so I can just heat it up or throw it in a fire pit. If I'm doing hobo dinners, which is just the dinner in a tinfoil pouch, where you just throw it in the fire and cook it up. I like doing those, so I do a lot of meal prep before I go, so I'm not doing a lot of cooking and cleaning. Just a lot of snorkel, snooze, and snack when I go camping. It's gonna be so fun to go camping. Gotta have an umbrella, so you got an umbrella for shade. Good old snorkel, fins, and a mask. Got to get out in the water and play in the water. Can't forget about that. And it's always fun to have coconuts on hand, so to open the coconuts you need a couple machetes. I'll go over food prep in a little bit, and this is just some of the gear I have just to get by. All right, now we get to organize and get this stuff into some bins and compact it all so it's easy to put in the truck. I just reserved a camp spot for the first camp of the season. Stay tuned in the upcoming weeks as we go truck camping and tour around the big island of Hawaii. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Aloha.